An important health alert tonight for travelers.
A person who flew into Metro Airport is now being treated for measles.
7 Action News reporter Kim Russell has been gathering information about where this passenger went and who could possibly be exposed. Kim, what have you learned?
While measles is highly contagious, here's the good news. There's a very limited area and time frame during which exposure would have likely happened. If it happened, it would have likely happened here in the North Terminal. It happened on Tuesday, March 6th. A person traveling home to Washtenaw County from an overseas trip landed at Detroit Metro Airport. They later learned they had measles.
When we in public health hear about a potential measles outbreak, we get really excited and concerned because, again, measles is highly contagious.
Dr. Jessie Kimbrough Marshall is the Washtenaw County Public Health Director. She says health authorities immediately went to work to track where the patient had been. Fortunately, once home, the patient did not travel much. The Michigan Department of Health and Human Services says anyone on the plane with that person has been directly notified. The biggest concern now is sharing the information with people who were in the North Terminal of the airport's customs and baggage claim area on March 6th between the hours of 2 and 5 p.m. when the virus could have been spread. If you were there, you should watch out for symptoms which include cough, runny nose, sore throat, fever, and a red blotchy skin rash.
Anyone who thinks that they may have come in contact with the virus or who feels that they're sick, they should contact their healthcare provider immediately.
It can take 10 to 12 days for symptoms to show up. Dr. Kimbrough Marshall says while measles was declared eradicated in the United States in 2000, meaning there were no cases originating in the country, in many countries it remains common. When people travel, they can bring it back and spread it to others.
It is imperative for anyone hearing me to know that the best way to protect yourself is to get vaccinated, period. It's just no way of getting around that.
While here in the U.S., measles is relatively common. Last year, there were 118 cases, according to the CDC. Globally, it does take 146,000 lives on average every year, so it can be very serious. Doctors say the best way to protect yourself is to get the vaccine. Reporting live at Detroit Metro, Kim Russell, 7 Action News.
Kim, thank you for the live report there.